thinking of something. Let me draw it, okay? And you have to guess. So you say, it is a... It is a... Excellent. So... Ha ha ha!
An elephant? It is an elephant.
It's an elephant? Trunk? The head? The feet? The tail? It's an elephant! Excellent! Excellent! So the thing is, don't draw everything or they will guess too easily. Draw little by little, okay? Now, for something a bit more complicated, okay? So, your question will be, is it a triangle? Is it a light bulb? Is it an elephant? Okay, all right. Is it an elephant?
Is it an elephant?
And I'll say yes or no. Okay.
Is it a square?
Ah, almost.
Is it a triangle?
Yes.
Is it a circle?
Yes.
Is it a fenêtre?
Is it a window?
Is it a window?
Yes, it's a window.
Is it a
flag?
A flag?
Yes, it's a flag.
Oh, is it a castle?
Repeat. Is it a castle?
Is it a castle?
No. Yes, yes, it's a castle. Excellent. So, a castle has towers.
Towers.
A flag.
A flag.
A big door.
A big door.
Windows.
Windows.
And big walls.
Big walls.
Yes, excellent. Good job, guys. High five.